Hello viewers, I welcome you to another episode on Hillfolk's channel. It has been a while. I welcome you to another class, another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to basically show you how you're going to fix your sandals stripe readily before coupling it. Because I have understood that most at times we couple our sandals, and then after that we use pin to pin the stripes. Not that we don't like sewing the stripes on the positions before coupling, but due to some difficulties in placing the stripe in the right position, most of us we dodge that system. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step that you are going to use to place that stripe, sew it neatly, and then you get it in the right position, and then you are going to fix it, because using pins to hold the stripe of your sandals makes it look sometimes local. So I'm going to show you how to sew the stripes readily on the floor without coupling it. Then after sewing it, you will have it in the right position, and then you couple your stripe. It makes it look more of a foreign footwear, or should I say gives it a very good finishing, a standard finishing. So but when you use pins to hold your stripe, your work looks local. So stay with me in this video as I show you and share this tip with you. So for us to achieve this, we're going to need a masking tape, and also a rough paper or a cardboard paper. In this case, I'm going to use paper I got from the magazine. So this step is a very simple step. I'm going to place the main stripe around the last. I'm going to tape it. Then I'm going to measure from the instep where the stripe went behind the last. I'm going to measure half inch. Make sure it's half inch from the tip here, from here to somewhere here, half inch. After I must have marked that, I will now remove it. Then this serves as the buckle stripes. Then I will place this at the exact, that's after the marked measurement. I will place it. I'll make sure it is straight. Make sure it is straight. This is where our measurement is, so it starts from here up. And I'm going to fold it into two. Make sure it's into half. And I'm going to place the remaining stripe. Make sure it rhymes with the already placed one. So now, this is what we're going to have. This will serve as a raw file for me to be able to craft my sandal stripe with the buckle stripe attached on the floor before coupling it. Understand? So you can see you can see how I've gotten this. So this is what we have as we finish. So like I said, I'm going to now show you how I'm going to use this to craft my leather and then fix the buckle stripes, sew it before I last the pattern. So this I already prepared patterns. I will place the straight pattern, the main stripe on the raw file like this. This is the small buckle stripe, and this is the long buckle stripe. So I'm going to fix it now. I'm going to mark the areas. So you can see that I have placed the stripes according to my raw file. You can see I made sure it's round. Then I used a glue to hold it firmly so that it won't move until I must have sealed it in the positions. So you can see. So I'm going to go now and sew it, and after that, this is what I will have. You can see what I'm going to have. I'm going to have a very nice fixed buckle stripes without making mistakes. See it. So this is exactly what you're going to have. I have sewed it, you can see. Make sure you take your time in sewing. If you look very closely, you see how I sewed it round for firmness and durability. That's why you have to take your time to sew the stripe joint. So I believe you understood what I have explained in this video, and if you have questions, you can drop it down the video. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button and also press that notification bell to always get updates as soon as our video drops. Thank you, and see you next time.